Guys, so we are going to eat in an African restaurant here in Malaysia.
So
She's the one taking us round. She be Naija.
Hey, the Naija baby.
Huh? And we're also going with Sheila.
And this is me.
Yes, we're all going to the African restaurant. I am so excited. I'm showing you where to eat African food when you come to Malaysia. So let's go in. I feel very happy. I'm in such a good mood. I cannot wait to try African food in Malaysia. Like, I'm actually going to an African restaurant in Malaysia. I'm so excited. I'm like, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Guys, there are so many restaurants in Malaysia. Oh, she's having jollof rice. What are you having?
Me, I want to eat
Feel free.
pounded yam.
What about fufu?
And the
Fufu. What about fufu?
fufu? Fufu would be nice. Do they have fufu?
I haven't seen on the menu.
Really?
You have,
Okay.
it's crazy. We seem so excited.